Alright, gang. So the issues on that, if not, click up here. We'll go ahead and put this back together. I don't have the seal yet, but it's no big deal to get everything else finished, put the seal in, and do a separate video, put the seal in, break it in, let it idle and whatnot. So let's go ahead and put this back together until, other than the clutch stuff right here. Let's get it. Now the Tin Man on the old YouTube says to cut these ears off, the circlip, because they will break off on high RPM. Now I've done a lot of cylinders, but nothing on a chainsaw cylinder. Now this is the circlip off the 250R. It's a lot thicker gauge. I guess it's because this is a smaller gauge wire or clip. I believe that's why. Arrow toward the exhaust unless specified, which it does not say, so we're going toward the exhaust. So we'll get back to regular program. Now on your rings here, they're probably marked. These are the exact same ring, so top and bottom do not matter. But see these two, that's where the rings must line up at, or the ring will be out. Now the rings themselves, they have numbers or letters. This has got caber up here. Numbers go up, letters go up. And we're going to go down to the bottom first. Well, don't get in there. Fit in where you get in. Go on down. Yep. Look at it. Now you're stuck in there. Okay. See that? Bottom ring gap, top ring gap. Where's the razor blade? Just had it. Did you move it? Caber up. Gap there. And then we'll lubricate it. Lubricate the cylinder too. And then we'll go down. We'll put a couple bolts in. We'll measure squish, squinch, whichever it is, don't remember. See if it's tolerable. We'll take it back off. We'll moto seal at the bottom, set her down, because moto seal will take a couple thou, 1 thou, 2 thou. If not, I got a gasket over there, and then we'll just jam her back together. Alright, so right off the rip, inch, 37 thou. So if it clears this, we're set. If not, we'll measure what it is. Run her down, get her sending down. Bend this back a little more, like a rectangle, perfect. Then we'll do multiple areas. We'll do like a north-south. Contact. And then we'll go ahead and force it over, and then we'll measure it. So what was that, 13? Don't I have that out here? 12, 13, right there. Ratchet, I just had it. Got her nice flat on there. See it? See, it did smush it down some. Let's see what we wound up with. 0, yep. So that's the flat right there. $29 thou, plenty. We'll pull it off, free gasket it, and then we'll be going on to town. gang, that'll be a wrap for this video until I get this seal. I really can't put any more. I can put the bar on, but it'd be right in the way, so I'm just going to wait. Thanks for watching. Next video on this, we'll finish it, break it in, run the tank or so, but heat soak, heat cycle. Subscribe. Stay tuned. See you all in the next one.